Hello Sakafet, hi, I'm Roma and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making one of my favorite treats. It's bread pudding. If you want to see how I make this recipe, keep watching. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Now let's get baking. Now these are all the ingredients I'm going to need for my bread pudding. The exact amount will be in the description bar below. I have some bread, some milk and cream, sugar, butter, some juicy raisins. They have been soaking in rum, dark rum. We have our eggs, cinnamon powder, nutmeg, vanilla extract, and our almond extract. So first I'm going to start by making the custard. I'm going to pour my milk into my bowl. And this is, like I said, it was a mixture of milk and cream. And then I'm going to add my sugar. And give it a stir. Now I can add my extracts. So some vanilla, some almond, and then cinnamon. Also my nutmeg. So these are fresh nutmeg. I'm just going to grate it right into it. Okay, and then we're just going to mix that in. You can see that's the cinnamon on top. And then now I'm going to get my eggs in there. Now I'm going to crack my eggs. So we have 3 eggs. And then we're going to pour it into the cream. And then the last thing is our butter. Now I'm going to melt this in the microwave because it should be melted. And let's see, oh, it's all melted, we can see. Now I'm going to add my butter to my custard mixture. You want to let the butter cool really well before you add it to the mixture because you don't want the egg cooking. So make sure it's nice and cool a bit before you add it. So we're just going to add and stir slowly. So at this point we want to add our bread now. Now I'm just going to take my bread and just break it up into small pieces and just add it to the custard mix. So we just keep breaking it up. And you can use any bread you like. Some people like French bread, actually very good. And brioche, oh, brioche makes a really nice bread pudding. But this is just plain white bread. And you just want to soak it in, make sure it soaks it all up. Leave it for a few minutes. And now I'm just going to let it sit for about 5 minutes while I get my pan ready. Alright, so I'm using a 9-inch pan and I'm just going to spray it with a little spray. And then I'm going to take my raisins and put it right in the middle. So this raisin, like I said, it's been soaking in dark rum for about an hour. And that just, the rum gives it a really nice flavor. And you get that sweet burst of the raisin in between. It's so delicious. And that's the rest of the rum. Now I'm just going to take the rest of it, and just put it right over there. That's it, and I'm just going to smooth the edge with my spoon. Make it nice and even. And now I'm going to let it sit while I heat up my oven. So this I'm going to bake it at 350, and it should take about 40 minutes to bake. Okay, so I'm going to try this bread pudding. It is so good. You can taste the rum and the cinnamon. I just need a cup of tea with that now. And here you have it, our delicious bread pudding. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you again next time. Bye.